So you fry them, onion, tomatoes. Ow!
Yes.
Okay. But it's still strong though. This one is for the second. I hope I can take it. So this one is just very second. Here, touch the pepper. So we still boil egg. How many times do Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's my baby's 1-year birthday celebration today. Okay, we'll be making party style local authentic Nigerian jollof rice, guys. You'll be glad you watched. Yes, it's birthday on a budget. I decided to take you guys along with me. Enjoy the rest of this video. Okay. So this is how I have that. So you fry them, onion, tomatoes, chicken flavor, bay leaves, just simple salt and all that. Okay, so yeah, these are the spices that she used. This one, she used Wonder jollof spice. She used, okay, Kitchen Glory, tomatoes. This one is extra. She has already added the other one. Benny chicken powder, salt. So yeah, these are chicken. She's going to put some of them without stew. Those are with stew. Yeah, so the rice is almost half done, right?
Yes.
Say hi. Hi. You say what? Our rice is coming together. I hope the color is okay, but it's looking good already. This is like the third time that she's stirring it. Time to taste. It's still hard. Okay. It's okay. I don't put them salt again, Abby. It's okay. If you put them more salt, it's go. It's okay. But it's still strong though.
Never done.
I'm going to send it back. I'm blend there. Is it done? Let me test. Testing. Hi, half what? Show you guys what she has been up to. Again now. So yeah, we are trying to form meat kebab for the chops. This one is for the chops. I hope I can take it. I hope I can take it. You're going to put this in now. So this one is just perfect for me. So guys, this is not a detailed recipe. Okay, yes, I've been so busy trying to put things in order, decoration and all that, so I didn't really start with her. So if you need a detailed recipe on how to make party jollof rice, I have the video on my channel. Meanwhile, it's similar, it's just quantity, Okay, so she wants to just put them. I'm not expecting much, guys, just about 30 people. Okay, maybe, yeah, I think what I'm making, the rice I'm making is already much. Just go see how many ocean I want to see. Like here, I don't want to make here touch the pepper. So how the meat kebab looks like, kebab. Yeah, I still have chicken and beef in here. So this one is the plantain for the chops, small chops. Two boiled egg. Mommy, the other space is there space there, so we can put the rice now. Can use that size for egg. I want to boil egg.
Yeah, I want to put
Hey, it's hot. Wow. Tin is hot. Oh my gosh. I want to look at it. Okay. Yummy. Looks yummy. Our rice is ready. That one is ready. Are you sure this rice will enter 3 coolers? When you put the butter, when the rice is almost done?
No. When the water
The boil.
the boil. So we are comfortable.
Yeah, pure baby rice. Smoking, piping hot. Smoking hot and jollof, no, like party jollof, regular party jollof. Like jollof. Like, you know, like jollof. That's good. Today is Cora's 1-year mini house birthday celebration. Yeah, so I've been so busy since morning trying to put the house in order. Finally I was able to achieve something. I just started to start up this vlog, hope to carry you guys along with me. So I just finished making parfait. Let me show you guys what it looks like, and then just enjoy the rest of this video. So I'll go ahead and take my shower and then we start. Do not forget to smash the subscribe button if this is your first time here. Can you guys believe that I made those parfait? From yogurt to the list, like I made these yummy looking parfaits. Oh, they look so creamy, guys. If you want the recipe, let me know. So can't believe that I made this, guys. From the Greek yogurt, leftover Greek yogurts that I made. So these are my parfaits. Let me show you. It's fruit and nuts parfait though.